Okay, I'm truly balancing you guys right now. Hi everyone, how's it going? My name is Madison. If you've never been to my channel before, I like to make mukbangs and I like to do cooking videos. Today I have chilies, very exciting. I actually forgot that I was gonna eat in my car, so I didn't get a drink before I came. So I ended up going to P. Terry's. I got some lemonade because their lemonade is delicious. And I actually got a good amount of stuff from Chili's, so I'm really excited. Got some chips and salsa. And then I got this little like SmokeHouse combo thing that they have. So you can pick like a side, which I got fries. And I brought ketchup just in case I need it. Because I'm not trying to play with these people and them not giving me enough ketchup, you know what I mean? Okay. So, let me get some extra napkins out of my car. Okay. So, is this in the way? No, it's not in the way of you guys, but it is in the way of me. I can't see you guys. Okay, so I have ribs right here, and then I have some quesadillas, and then like a Mexican style corn. And then I have some of their fries, which I freaking love their fries, so I'm really excited about that. Here's their fries. And I just got some Heinz right here. Brandon just bought this for me, I think yesterday, because we ran out. And what was I eating that needed ketchup? I don't even remember. I love their fries. They're like really soft, but they have crispy bits to them. So good. And I have you guys a little bit lower filming today because it wasn't gonna work for the view where it was, unfortunately. Extra salsa is free if you're ordering online, so I always get extra because I use it at the house. Trying to make room for all my food. I haven't eaten in a little while, so I'm excited. Apparently I got ribs without rub on them. I mean, without sauce on them. Whoopsies. Their ribs are really good though, so I'm not too worried about it. I didn't realize that this quesadilla doesn't come with ranch either. I feel like it should. If I had some ranch in here, I'd use it, but I keep ranch at the house. I guess they don't give you ranch because it's a brisket quesadilla with barbecue sauce in it, but like that's still... They have a chipotle ranch. That would be really good with that. Or some sour cream. Even though the ribs don't have sauce on them, they're actually really tender and juicy. And they have a good flavor to them. It's really peppery. Like there's a lot of pepper right here. There's something else I'm tasting in this, I can't remember what it is. And then the brisket taco, the brisket quesadilla is like this. It has little brisket shreds in it with barbecue sauce and cheese, cheddar cheese. I haven't eaten in a really long time. I'm so hungry. Sorry that I'm eating like a crazy person. What's up, sir? And I've actually had this corn before. That's actually why I got it. It's really, it might just be because I love corn, but it's really good. It's not perfect, but it tastes nice to me. And that's all that matters because I'm eating it. So they put, oops, oh no, this broke. They put, it just broke. They accidentally burned it. So they put butter, cilantro, seasoning. I'm gonna char it. I'm trying to eat the air so I can grab it. Brandon is just out delivering right now. I've been doing DoorDash the past couple days. That's been really fun. If you saw my shrimp boil video, you know that I eat corn like a savage. But corn is delicious. And they have some of the best chips and salsa. Just gonna put that like that. So their salsa is like really liquidy, like this, and it doesn't have big chunks in it. It just tastes really good. It's served cold. And their chips are really thin. I think what I really enjoy about Chili's, I have some water too, is that it's a mediocre restaurant, but you get exactly the same thing every single time. Like, and you can appreciate it for like what it is, you know? Like, out of all of them, like, out of like Red Lobster, Olive Garden, like all those like, excuse me, like nicer restaurants like that, this girl is like riding her bike like up and down this street just like 20 feet. It's so weird. I really wish I had some ranch for this. I don't think I have any ranch in here. Yeah, I didn't think so. I don't usually hold stuff like that in here. Also, I filmed a new video cooking with my camera today. When I went to upload to my computer just decided that it doesn't know how to upload videos anymore. So I can't edit it, so I can't upload it. Super happy about that. So I was really excited about it. It's a lemony, garlicky shrimp pasta. It's so good. I've been wanting to share it with you guys. And then that happened. So as soon as I get that situation fixed, I'll edit it and I'll upload it. Oh, I think she's a crackhead. I had an allergic reaction on my lips for a couple days, so it was really hard to eat for a little while. And it's finally like going away. I'm so excited. Like, it was all over my lips right here from a chapstick. I look like I got lip injections. It was really funny. Like, at the time it wasn't funny, but I can laugh at it now because I'm alive. And I'm not gonna finish that quesadilla without some ranch, honestly, because I'm not enjoying it that much without ranch. And I'm not gonna eat something that I don't enjoy just to eat it. What the fuck is that car called? I always forget what it's called. There's a BMW. They have a coupe that is electric. It's super expensive, but I forgot what the name of it is, and it just drove by. I've only seen one other one, and it was at the hotel that I worked at. I feel like it starts with a Z. And then an RC drives by from Lexus. What we doing? Somebody behind me is being a freaking weirdo. But yeah, so I've been doing DoorDash, and it's actually really fun, and like the way that you can just make like $150 in like 5 hours here is crazy. Like, sometimes it makes you drive like a little bit too far, in my opinion, but I'm still learning the app, so like part of that is like me not paying attention. Because it tells you the price, like how much you're gonna get paid, and the amount of miles that it is away, like from each other. So you have to have foresight and be like, oh, that's too much, like too many miles. I didn't even know, but they do 7-Eleven deliveries. Those are by far like the easiest delivery that I've ever done, because all you do is just drive up there to the 7-Eleven. You have an order for Madison, pick it up, and then you just go deliver it to the people. Like, it's not food or anything usually, so you don't have to worry about like temperature. Like, I delivered this man $40 worth of cigarettes the other day, but it was in the dark. His house was so hard to find. Oh my god. He was done with my shit. But that was also awkward because they make you check the ID, which makes sense. Like, yeah, check the ID, but you have to like enter everything in so that it's like in their system, you know? It makes sense. It's just like really awkward. Especially like in our situation, I was standing in front of his door, and you know, he's like in his nighttime clothes, like, and so it wasn't creepy, it was just awkward. Like, he didn't give me creepy vibes at all. It was just like, I want to leave this man alone. Like, he just wants some cigarettes. I was like, fuck. Some ketchup and a fry. And if you've never had P. Terry's lemonade, the reason it's so good is because they make it, and so it's like super tart, with like just enough sweetness. Oh, it's so good. Like, and they put a lemon in there, you can like squeeze it. Delicious. Also, something really weird has been happening to me. So, I don't know why, but like for the past like 3 nights, I mean, I have a kind of idea as to why, but I don't know. For the past like 3 nights, I've been having dreams about my ex, John, and I think it's because a coworker of mine on Facebook announced that she was dating him, which I went ahead and just deleted her because even though I broke up with him, like, I just don't want to see, I don't want to see that. Like, because I'm really possessive, and like, I'm just a really possessive person. So just knowing that someone is like dating someone that I know both of them, I don't know, it was really weird. Anyway, so the dream I had last night, which there were other parts of this dream that did not involve him, but this part of the dream, you know, for the 5 seconds or whatever, I broke into his apartment with apparently a key that I secretly made before giving him back his key, which that is not true. I would never do that. Oh my god, that is such an invasion of privacy. But in the dream, a bitch was crazy. So broke in there, I was like looking around and stuff, and then he came home and I'm like trying to hide. But it's kind of funny because in real life, like, I wouldn't really be good at hiding either. So like in the dream, I didn't hide very well. Like, I just stood in the hallway and like he just like opened the door. He's like, what the fuck? And then they were just like insulting me like as I was like walking out or whatever, like calling me like a loser and a creep and like all kinds of weird shit. It was like a movie, bitch. Like, it was so weird. And so I was just like, all right. And then I don't remember the other ones. I can't remember them now. But like, our subconscious is so weird because like, I don't want to be with him or anything. Like, I am very happy to be with Brandon. But it's weird how like your brain can like obsess over something for a little bit. I think it's because since I didn't give him closure, I kind of didn't give myself closure. So there's like a weird thing my brain is trying to process. I think it's also because he just turned 34, and I think this girl is like 21 or 22, and so it's kind of wigging me out. Like, I was like, okay, I don't know. And like, I think it kind of made me feel, since obviously like they had been working together and stuff, I think it just made me feel weird that like that was a potential thing. You know what I mean? I don't know. But I'm not gonna try to like hold on to it too much. I'm just kind of talking about it, try to get it out. I just thought it was kind of weird, like the whole situation. Okay, I'm done. I'm full. I appreciate you guys listening to me talk about my stuff. I'm about to choke. If you haven't already, please subscribe to my channel, like the video. I really appreciate it if you got this far. Please let me know in the comments, and I will see you guys in the next one. Please have a great day or night wherever you are. Bye, guys.